Green and pool are two words you do not want to hear together, but it does happen. If you're looking for ways to clean your green pool, you've come to the right place. The term green pool is usually used to describe a pool or spa which has been affected by algae growth. As you can see in this photograph, there is algae in the pool, giving it a green appearance. Algae blooms in pools are usually caused by an imbalance in your pool water chemicals. If your pool is looking green, like this, it's probably because of insufficient chlorine. Your pool may have insufficient chlorine for a variety of reasons. For example, if your pool has been under heavy swimmer load, it might not have the correct amount of chlorine to fight off the encroaching algae. This could also be that you haven't been regularly adding chlorine into your pool. Whoops. If you do have the correct amount of chlorine in your pool and you're still experiencing a green pool, this could have something to do with your pH not being correctly balanced. Without the correct pH, the chlorine can't do its job. This is a good example of why you can't take a one-size-fits-all approach to how to clean a green pool. Because of the many different causes and situations, each treatment for a green pool requires a specific plan. And step one in that plan is to get your pool water tested. With me today is our resident pool water quality expert. So, how do we go about cleaning a green pool?
Well, as you mentioned, computerized water testing is required to determine why your pool went green in the first place. The results could indicate an equipment malfunction with your chlorinator or sanitizing system.
And what should we do if the test does indicate a potential equipment problem?
In that case, we recommend getting in touch with a pool technician to book an on-site assessment.
Once you've purchased the chemicals, which have been specifically recommended for your unique case of green pool, what are the steps from there to actually clean the pool?
The first step is to add your chlorine, algicide and flock to 3 different areas of the pool. Then set your filtration system to recirculate.
And regarding filtration, is there anything we need to know there?
Yes, if you have any cartridge filters, remove the filters from the cartridges. Next, you take a brush and brush the walls and floor of your pool and then leave the filter on for about 6 hours.
And after that, we turn the filter off, the filtration system off for 12 to 24 hours. If you're using fast flock, maybe 4 to 6 hours.
And once the debris has settled to the bottom of the pool, set your vacuum to waste.
And after vacuuming, make sure you top up your water levels back to normal.
And then it's time to complete the final computerized water test to determine the required balancing chemicals. Add those chemicals, resume normal filtration, and you're good to go.
There you have it. Algae in the pool is never a good thing, but it is treatable. Have you got any helpful tips for any of our viewers who are looking to clean their green pool?
The most common misconception I encounter is people often think if they can smell the chlorine, there must be heaps in the pool.
Yeah. Because you can smell the chlorine, it can often indicate that the chlorine isn't doing its job properly, in which case it's highly recommended that a water test be conducted.
Also, when you're flocking your green pool with drop and clear or fast flock, always have an available waste line on your filtration system.
And if you don't, it's probably a good idea to seek professional advice. Click on the link to find your nearest Poolwerx. Our team is always happy to help.
It's also important to wear personal protective equipment when cleaning your green pool. Appropriate PPE includes gloves, safety glasses, and protective clothing.
Great advice. Safety first. So that's it. That's how to clean a green pool. I know that the idea of fixing a green pool can feel like a mammoth task, but it is possible. Take the first steps into cleaning your green pool by getting your water tested. Contact your local Poolwerx for specific advice on how to clean your green pool. And remember, dosage recommendations only reflect the chemicals available in store.